Today, stepping off the Disney fish and into paradise, Disney's private island, Castaway Cay. Most people enjoy this place for the beautiful beach, but we found some unforgettable ways to go beyond the sand. Come along.
Like absolutely beautiful clear sky. The temperature is perfect.
Arg, matey.
Castaway Cay is Disney's slice of paradise in the Bahamas, a private island designed with cruise guests in mind. As you make your way inland, the charm kicks in immediately, with colorful buildings, white sand paths, and familiar faces ready for a photo. Whether you want to relax or explore, there's something here for everyone, and we decided to start our day on two wheels.
They say riding a bike is just like riding a bike. Sunlight borax soap.
After exploring the island's quiet trails and soaking in the secluded beach views, we made our way to one of Castaway Cay's most unforgettable encounters. Here at Stingray Lagoon, you'll wade into the water, hand feed the rays, and maybe even swim alongside them.
Ooh!
Oh God!
What? Did it swim under you?
Yes!
Just right over, right into the leg and right over the foot.
The Stingray adventure at Castaway Cay is designed for both guest safety and animal care in mind. The rays are non-aggressive, their barbs are safely trimmed by trained specialists, and the feeding process uses flat trays to protect your fingers. Disney's marine staff oversees the program, ensuring that the stingrays are well cared for, not overfed, and free to swim in and out of the shallow lagoon as they choose, making this a respectful and unforgettable encounter for all.
Oh, that That feels smooth.
Yeah.
I like that.
It's a mucus.
That feels great. Good.
It feels good. It feels great.
Yes, I like this. I like it.
One right to my butt.
Oh my.
Dude, it hit it.
Hello.
I'm gonna go right there. It's on my butt.
After the feeding, you're welcome to swim along these majestic creatures. But remember, gentle, safe encounters like this are only guaranteed within this designated area. If you spot stingrays elsewhere around the island, enjoy them from a distance and always use caution. Once you've had your fill of swimming with the stingrays, it's time to explore the island's main snorkeling lagoon. While there's no grand, colorful coral reef here, the waters are calm, crystal clear, and perfect for drifting at your own pace. And just beneath the surface, some real Disney magic is waiting, if you know where to look. Of course, there are countless other ways to enjoy your day at Castaway Cay, whether it's lounging in the sun, splashing through the family beaches, racing down water slide, or even exploring sports courts and kids-only hangouts. But as the day winds down and the beach empties, there's something special about taking a quiet moment to just soak it all in. This wraps up our very first Disney Cruise Line series featuring the incredible Disney Wish, but don't go anywhere. Next up, we're diving into our next magical adventure, a full week aboard the brand new Disney Treasure. Thanks so much for coming along with us, and we'll see you in the next one.